Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to make realistic shadow and reflection effect. Press Ctrl T to modify it. Copy and paste it to have two bottles and press Ctrl T to rotate it. In the next step we need to choose lasso tool and draw shadow. Ctrl plus backstage to have black color. Then bring bottle to front. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery and choose third one. Rotate anchors to have more realistic view. Then make opacity 30%. Press Ctrl T to rotate it. Choose the bottle below and make clip-in mask. Then choose gradient effect and do what you see. Reduce opacity. Choose background and make solid color gray or the color you want. To have more realistic view, we can do something different. In this case, the bottle will be more realistic. For that, make clip-in mask and go gradient. Choose first one and do the same. In this case, the bottle look more realistic because we don't see all bottle. To have glass effect, we need to make new layer. Choose brush tool and white color and press brush tool 2 times. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a like.